I'm Allison. And do you have a drawer that sort of is a hodgepodge of everything? Well, let's figure out how to get through that. So first of all, there's no shame. There is no shame in organizing. This is the time for you to take control of what you have and not sit there and let shame and guilt and fear and whatever crap-ass emotion that you might be feeling get in the way of you living the life that you deserve to live. So here's what you do. You take that drawer and only that drawer, because when you do a little bit at a time, you're going to find greater results than you would if you tried to tackle a huge project. You're going to dump it out. There you go. It wasn't like it was organized to begin with, so that's totally fine. Then what you're going to do is you're going to sort. Sorting is super important. Here's why. Because when you sort, you put like things together, so shirts with shirts and socks with socks and shorts with shorts and stretchy pants with stretchy pants. And that way, you can have like things together. That's going to help you figure out where to designate a spot to keep them so that you can find them and, more importantly, put them back when you are done using them. That's going to help you get and stay organized forever. The other thing is when you can see everything, this helps you make smarter, more informed decisions about what you do want to keep and what you want to get actually rid of. So you could go and go, oh, that's where that shirt is. I haven't even worn it in 10 years, and now that I look at it, I don't like it. Or it's got holes in it, or it just doesn't fit anymore. Totally okay. Get rid of those items that you are not using, you don't like, and you don't need anymore. The other thing is say you run out of time or you just run out of energy. If you've sorted these things, that is half your battle. You can easily come back and start off where you left off without having it be a huge chaotic mess. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned because I am creating a master class for people who struggle with organizing.